Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make money or how to use Binance Swap Farming. As you can see, the Binance is having categories like swapping coin between each other, or you can see the Binance having Binance farming. You can farm your coin there to earn another coin. So in this case, a few days ago, Binance launched the swap farming category on the Binance mobile application. Before jumping to the video, let me clear that what is Binance swap farming. For example, the coins or the tokens that are available in your wallet, you can easily swap to the USDT. You can swap that to BTC, Ethereum, or any other, or BNB, or any other tokens. Like here I will show you. Right now I am on mobile device. Here you can see there is the Binance. I will open that. You can see swap farming. Let me show you the condition of the market on the Binance. Here you can see the Bitcoin is 57,473, or here is the swap farming. Click on that. You can see Binance liquid swap. Trade instantly and pull tokens to earn rewards. You can earn rewards. There is the filter all tokens with rewards. Here is you can see the ultimate price and output is determined by the amount of tokens in the pool of the time of your swap. It's having the rule of staking or unstaking. If you new to the staking of the cryptocurrency on the Binance, so you may have information on this. So there is the advantages. There is the low fees. Enjoy low fees for large transaction with tight spreads. There is the simple pooling 8 tokens to the pool to become a market maker. Earn commission, earn interest, and share of transaction fees. Here is what is the differences between Binance Liquid Swap and another trading functions. Binance Liquid Swap is based on a pool of liquidity. There are 2 tokens in each pool, and the relative amount of the tokens determines the price between them, and they can always be traded as long as their corresponding tokens in the pool. Binance Liquid Swap offers more stable prices and lower fees for large transaction. Here is how do I provide liquidity for Binance Liquid Swap. When I can remove it, there is the select a pool of liquid trading pairs and deposit an amount into the pool. The system will convert the amount into 2 tokens according to the price ratio of the current trading pairs of pool. Here is what is the source of income for Binance Liquid Swap. You can check how to calculate the pool rewards, how to remove Binance Liquid Swap portions. Overall, here you can see there is the overview option. Here you can see there are the coins that you can swap on the Binance swap farming. There is my portion. You can check your earnings, your total unclaimed rewards. Here you can see the history. Here is the liquidity history. Here is the swap, and here is the tutorial which you can. So let me show you how to swap farm, or how to farm on this swap farming Binance new category. Here is, click on this. You can see there are the tokens that you can farm on the Binance swap farming. Here type, like there I will type Dogecoin. Here click on the max option. There is, you can see according to the today's price, there is 703 Dogecoin I have on my wallet. There is the you can see $349 it will be. You can see the rewards available. 1 Dogecoin will be equal to the 0.20 cent. Here is the zero slippage. Here is the 0.2% reward. You can see estimated free return. You will earn the amount of 0.0005 BNB once you have swapped your token on this platform. and here they are taking 3.40 Dogecoin their fees. So this is the way how you can swap farming on your Binance account. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If the video was useful, thumbs up the video, share your nice comments in the below down comment section. At last, don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. While we upload a new video, you should be the first person to get the notification. So thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next one.